Welcome back to Learning with Lions Kids.
Hi everyone!
Homophones!
Today we're learning about words that sound the same, but have different meanings. Lots of kids get these words confused.
Even me sometimes.
So today, we're gonna help you learn.
And I'll learn too.
All right, kids, let's get started.
See!
These words sound the same. See means to look with your eyes.
See means to look with your eyes.
Sea is a big blue ocean.
Sea is a big blue ocean.
I see with my eyes. I swim in the sea.
3 words, same sound. There means they are.
They are jumping.
There means it belongs to them.
That is their ball.
There means a place.
There means a location.
You use THEIR to show that something belongs to them, like their toy. There means a specific place or location. Look, the children are playing over there. 2 more words that sound the same.
Your and your.
These 2 words sound the same. Your means it belongs to you, like your school book. Your means you are. You are my friend. You're my friend. You're my friend. This is your book. These 2 words sound the same. Here and here. Hear, HEAR, which means listening with your ears. Here, HERE, which means this place. Here and here. I listen with my ears and I step over here. Buy, B-U-Y, means to pay for something. By, B-Y, means next to, like next to a
Tree.
Bye, like B-Y-E, means goodbye.
Goodbye.
2. TWO means the number 2.
T, like T-O, means going somewhere.
2 means also, or to include something, like when you say, me too.
Bye, friends. Thanks for learning with us today. Before you go, we have a fun little song for you.
Lions Kids, come on, let's learn. Homophones, 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 let's go play. Same sound, words in a different way. They can sound the same, yes they do, but they mean different things for me and you.
Same sound,
Different meaning,
let's learn.
come sing with me. Read the words and look around. Listen closely to the sound. If we read the whole sentence through, we can find the right word too. Same sound, different meaning. Yeah, yeah. Listen up and keep on reading. Yeah, yeah. Homophones are fun to know. Come on, friends, let's go. Let's go. Same sound, different meaning. Yeah, yeah. Look around and keep on reading. Yeah, yeah. Hear the word and you will see.
new. The wind just blew my red kite too.
The sun shines high up in the sky. A sun says hi as he walks by. Say hi, same thing, same sound, different meaning. Listen up and keep on reading. Homophones are fun to know. Come on friends, let's go, let's go. Same sound, different meaning. Look around and keep on reading. Hear the word and you will see which word is right. Let's read and see. Now let's learn the tricky three. They sound the same as same can be.
There means they are.
Yes, that's right.
There means something belongs to them.
Alright, there means over in that place. Three same sounds in one word race. They're playing with their toys over there.
Now we got it nice and clear.
Your means you are nice and bright. Your means it belongs to you. Alright, you're so smart, your smile is bright. You are learning left and right. By means get it from the store. By means next to something more. By means when you wave and go. Three fun words we all can know. We can say them loud and high. Great job, friends, you really try. If a word looks new to you, that's okay, you know what to do. Read the sentence, take a peek. Learning makes us strong as we. You are smart and you can grow. Every day you learn and know. Read it, hear it, say it too. Homophones are fun for you. Different meaning. Now we love to keep on reading. Homophones can be so fun. Look at that, you know each one. Same sound, different meaning. Lions Kid is always teaching. Learning with Lions Kids, me and you. Now smart friend, we're proud of you. Same sound, different meaning. Learning with Lions Kids.
Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe to Learning with Lions Kids.